Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll take a look at the Dell XPS 14, exploring its key features, user manual, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box you'll find the Dell XPS 14, USB Type-C adapter, power cord, user manual. Product overview. Specifications. How to use. The Dell XPS 14 features a stunning 120Hz display with dynamic refresh rate, delivering smooth visuals while automatically adjusting between 60Hz and 120Hz to balance performance and battery life. Sign in quickly and securely with Windows Hello using either facial recognition or the built-in fingerprint scanner for fast, password-free access. If your Dell laptop isn't charging, perform a power cycle by holding the power button for 30 seconds, reinstall the battery drivers, and check for Windows and driver updates. If the problem persists, try a different power outlet or compatible charger to rule out a faulty power source. How to connect. Connect, charge, and transfer data through a single Thunderbolt cable, making it easy to use high-resolution external displays and other compatible accessories. The laptop includes Thunderbolt 4 ports for charging, fast data transfers, and connecting external displays and compatible accessories. The XPS features versatile Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports for charging, fast data transfer, and connecting external displays, while older USB-A devices require an adapter or dongle. Smart features? The seamless glass touchpad has no visible borders, giving the laptop a clean design while providing precise haptic feedback for clicks and gestures. The built-in Full HD webcam uses intelligent processing features to improve video quality during meetings and online classes. The laptop can enhance communication by reducing unwanted background sounds during calls, creating clearer voice conversations. Configurations with dedicated graphics provide extra power for photo editing, video production, 3D tasks, and creative applications. The 4-speaker setup with Dolby Atmos support delivers wider sound, clearer voices, and better entertainment quality. The machined aluminum body provides a strong, lightweight structure with a premium professional appearance. Before you start, recommended tools. Turning off your computer. Battery. Removing the battery. Replacing the battery. Memory modules. Removing the memory modules. Replacing the memory modules. Wireless mini cards. Removing the mini cards. Replacing the mini cards. Hard drive. Removing the hard drive. Replacing the hard drive. Optical drive. Removing the optical drive. Replacing the optical drive. Palm rest assembly. Removing the palm rest assembly. Replacing the palm rest assembly. Keyboard. Removing the keyboard. Replacing the keyboard. Power button board. Removing the power button board. Replacing the power button board. Coin cell battery. Removing the coin cell battery. Replacing the coin cell battery. Display. Removing the display assembly. Replacing the display assembly. Removing the display bezel. Replacing the display bezel. Removing the display panel. Replacing the display panel. Removing the display cable. Replacing the display cable. Removing the display panel brackets. Replacing the display panel brackets. Camera module. Removing the camera module. Replacing the camera module. Top cover. Removing the top cover. Replacing the top cover. Speakers. Removing the speakers. Replacing the speaker. Fan heat sink assembly. Removing fan and heat sink assembly. Replacing fan and heatsink assembly. Processor module. Removing the processor module. Replacing the processor module. Daughter board. Removing the daughter board. Replacing the daughter board. Bluetooth wireless card removal. Removing the Bluetooth card. Replacing the Bluetooth card. AC adapter connector. Removing the AC adapter connector. Replacing the AC adapter connector. System board. Removing the system board. Replacing the system board. Entering the service tag in the BIOS. Flashing the BIOS. Replacing the system board. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Dell XPS 14. See you in the next one.